welcome back to my channel. I am Court Love. I know I've been like missing in action for a little while because girl like I really be wanting to have like good content for you guys, and I feel like if I'm not putting out like good content, then I'm not posting. So girl, this is some good content because girl, this is a good wig, girl. And guess who I am working with? I mean, y'all probably can tell by the title, Love Me Hair. Like, they sent me over this wig, girl. I'm so happy. I was so happy. I swear I was so happy when they reached out to me, because girl, like, that is like my favorite wig company. Like, I done bought so many wigs from them. Like, so for them to reach out to Court Love, I'm like, yes, let's go. But anyway, let's get into this video. But before we do, make sure y'all subscribe to my channel, like this video, tell me what your thoughts are, and let's get into this video, chat.
So this is the box that it came in. Of course, they sent me the wig. They sent me a flat on curling on with a crimp. It's like a 2-in-1. In here we have the headband where you can tie your lace down so it can be so flat and sleek and melted. Also, they sent me a wig cap as usual, and they also sent me a edge brush. You can lay them edges down. Also, they sent me a pocket mirror, and here's the wig. It is 26 inches. It's 13 by 4. It can be wear glueless because it has adjustable straps and also elastic band as well. So you don't have to lay it down like I will in the video. So I pre-curled the back of the wig because I do not like curling my hair while it's on my head, because girl, it be hurting my arms. So I be trying to get little shortcuts here and there. So here's me trying to figure out like how I'm gonna style the hair. So continue to watch. I'm not gonna talk too much about it. Just watch how I install it.
Woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. you seem and wanna be the one on my team. Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
How it's turned out. I really love this hair. It's so pretty. I think I'm gonna do a half up, half down, because like it's so pretty. And yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. So just hold on a second. I'm going to flat on this. I'll be right back, y'all. So this is the final look, y'all. I really enjoy this hair. It's so pretty and it's so long. So pretty. I love it. So pretty. And I love like the curls and everything. You know, it's so cute. Like, yes. So if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do for more content like this, because I'm going to start putting out more wig videos, because that is my love, first love, doing hair. So I will, you know, put out more wig videos, also different beauty content as well, so check it out. I have more content coming soon. Yes, I love it. So like this video and comment down below and tell me what you think about this whole, you know, installation, you know, because girl, I love it. Like, girl, I love it. It's so cute. It is so cute and I feel so cute. Oh my goodness. But anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. Talk to y'all later.